Seniors eat this fruit to prevent sarcopenia and maintain strength after 60. You wake up in the morning and try to swing your legs out of bed, but they feel heavy like bricks. You walk to the kitchen, and halfway there your knees shake. You climb the stairs and stop every few steps to catch your breath. Does this sound familiar? Take 5 seconds right now and think about the last time your body felt weaker than you expected. That sinking feeling in your muscles is more common than you think. You are not alone. Many Americans over 60 face a hidden problem called sarcopenia. Slow muscle loss that steals your energy and your independence without warning. It is not laziness, and it is not just age. It is a change in your body you can fight back against. Weak muscles make daily life harder. They raise the risk of falls and injuries, and they can even shorten your lifespan. But here is the good news. You can fight back naturally. Starting tomorrow morning, by adding the right fruit to your day, you can feel steadier on your feet and regain energy to enjoy your walks again. Small changes lead to big results, and you can start with just a few ounces of fruit. Stay with me until the end, because one of the fruits on this list will surprise you. It is cheap, easy to find, and maybe the simplest habit you ever add to your life. Prunes may look simple and even a little old-fashioned, but they carry a hidden strength that can help you protect your muscles as you age. Many people over 50 notice cramps in their legs at night or feel shaky when climbing stairs, and often they blame it only on getting older. The truth is that weak muscles are often linked to low potassium and chronic inflammation, 2 issues that prunes can help fight naturally. Just 3 ounces of prunes, about a small handful, give you over 700 milligrams of potassium, which is actually more than what you get from a banana. Potassium is the mineral that allows your muscles to contract and relax properly. Prunes are also rich in plant compounds called phenolics, natural antioxidants that calm down inflammation that quietly damages your muscles and joints over the years. On top of that, they provide vitamin K, a nutrient that keeps your bones solid. And strong bones together with strong muscles mean better balance and independence in daily life. You can enjoy prunes in very simple ways. Add 3 to 4 pieces to your morning oatmeal, chop them into a salad, or blend them into a smoothie for natural sweetness. A bag of prunes usually costs just a few USD and lasts for weeks. Research shows that older adults with higher potassium intake reduce their risk of muscle weakness by as much as 1/3. That is a big win for such a small fruit. So try making prunes part of your day. And when you feel steadier on your feet, you will know it was worth it. Now let us look at another fruit that offers surprising support, the red grape. Red grapes may look small and sweet, but they hold more power than meets the eye. For many adults over 50, feeling weak after simple activities like gardening, carrying groceries, or even walking a few blocks is frustrating. Muscles that once bounced back quickly now feel slower to recover, and this gradual decline often feels unavoidable. The science shows otherwise. Red grapes are rich in resveratrol, a plant compound concentrated in their skins and seeds. Resveratrol is a strong antioxidant that protects your muscle cells from oxidative stress, the slow damage that builds up with age. It also improves blood flow, bringing oxygen and nutrients to your muscles so they heal faster and stay energized longer. Alongside resveratrol, grapes provide flavonoids, which fight the chronic inflammation that silently weakens muscles over the years. In real life, this means fewer cramps, steadier energy, and stronger recovery after exercise or daily chores. Imagine finishing a walk around the park and not feeling so drained, or waking up without that heavy stiffness in your legs. Just a cup of red grapes, about 6 to 7 ounces, can make a noticeable difference over time. Choose grapes with thick skins when you can, because they contain more resveratrol, and do not skip the seeds if possible. If chewing seeds feels strange, blend them into a smoothie or freeze grapes for a crunchy snack on a hot afternoon. Studies supported by the National Institutes of Health suggest that older adults who eat around 1 cup of red grapes daily may reduce age-related muscle loss by up to 20%. That is a major benefit from a fruit that costs just a few USD per bag in most grocery stores. So reach for red grapes the next time you shop, and remember they are more than a sweet treat. They are a tool for protecting your strength and independence. Before we move on to fruit number 3, make sure to hit the subscribe button right now. I promise you will not want to miss what comes next. And in the future I will bring you many more simple and affordable nutrition tips that keep you eating well and living strong for just a few cents a day. Now let us explore the next surprising option, the Padron pepper. Padron peppers may look like a simple side dish you would see in a Spanish restaurant, but they are much more than a tasty snack. For many people over 50, stiff joints and slower recovery after daily chores make movement harder, and that often leads to less activity and even weaker muscles. These small green peppers are surprisingly rich in vitamin C, giving you more than the daily amount your body needs in just a few ounces. Vitamin C helps your body produce collagen, the protein that holds muscles, tendons, and ligaments together. Without enough collagen, joints feel stiff, muscles lose flexibility, and injuries happen more easily. Padron peppers also contain capsaicin, a natural compound that improves blood flow by relaxing blood vessels. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, giving you more energy and faster recovery after simple activities like climbing stairs or carrying bags. You can prepare them quickly by sauteing 5 or 6 peppers in a teaspoon of olive oil until slightly blistered. For an extra boost, sprinkle a pinch of turmeric, another natural anti-inflammatory that works well with capsaicin. This combination is both flavorful and supportive of muscle health. Researchers know that people who regularly eat vitamin C-rich vegetables experience fewer issues with joint stiffness and muscle soreness. So the next time you want a quick side dish, reach for Padron peppers. They are mild, easy to love, and another simple way to protect your strength. Now let us look at fruit number 4, a rare berry that many Americans have never even heard of. Arbutus berries, also known as Maderona berries, may not be a fruit you see often in the grocery store, but they are one of nature's hidden treasures for muscle health. Many adults over 50 deal with nagging stiffness, slow recovery, and the sense that their muscles simply do not bounce back the way they used to. These bright red berries are packed with vitamin C, giving you almost twice as much as an orange in just a few ounces. Vitamin C helps your body build collagen, the protein that keeps muscles, joints, and tissues flexible and strong. Along with vitamin C, arbutus berries are rich in flavonoids and tannins, natural plant compounds that calm inflammation and support healthy blood flow. Better circulation means more oxygen reaches your muscles, which can translate into more energy and quicker healing after activity. You can enjoy 4 or 5 fresh berries a day if you are lucky enough to find them at a local market or from a neighbor's tree. They can also be simmered with a teaspoon of honey and a squeeze of lemon to make a simple fruit spread for toast or yogurt. Researchers studying wild berries note their powerful antioxidant effects in older adults, helping reduce silent inflammation that leads to muscle decline. While they may not be common, arbutus berries remind us that simple natural foods can have big health benefits. Try them if you get the chance. And now let us turn to another golden fruit that is far easier to find, the kiwi. Golden kiwis may look small and gentle with their smooth skin and bright flesh, but they are packed with powerful nutrients that can help you stay strong as you age. Many adults over 50 struggle with slower recovery, stiffness in the joints, and the feeling that even when they eat protein, their muscles do not gain the same benefit as before. One of the reasons golden kiwis stand out is their high vitamin C content. Just one medium kiwi, about 3.5 ounces, provides around 160 milligrams of vitamin C, which is almost twice the daily need for most adults. Vitamin C supports collagen production, the glue that keeps your muscles, tendons, and joints flexible and working together. Golden kiwis also contain a natural enzyme called actinidin, which helps your body break down and absorb protein more effectively. This means the chicken, beans, or fish you eat can be used by your muscles more efficiently. You can enjoy a golden kiwi first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for the best effect. Some people pair it with a few walnuts and a teaspoon of raw honey for added protein, healthy fat, and gentle energy. Research shows that seniors who improve protein absorption feel stronger and recover faster from daily activity. Golden kiwis are available in most stores year-round, affordable at just a few USD per pack, and easy to eat with a spoon. Adding one to your day is a simple step toward better strength. Next, let us look at another golden fruit that often gets overlooked, the loquat. Loquats may not be the first fruit that comes to mind when you think about strength, but these small golden orange gems deserve a place in your diet. Many adults over 50 notice that their muscles feel weaker year by year, and that even simple chores like lifting laundry baskets or climbing stairs leave them more tired than before. The secret power of loquats comes from a natural plant compound called ursolic acid. Studies suggest this compound may not only slow down age-related muscle loss, but also help reverse it in some cases. Loquats also provide carotenoids for eye and skin health, potassium to keep your muscles contracting smoothly, and soluble fiber to support digestion and steady blood sugar. When your potassium is balanced and your blood sugar is stable, you have more energy throughout the day and fewer painful cramps. Enjoying loquats is simple. Peel away the thin skin, remove the large seeds, and eat the soft flesh as a snack. 4 to 6 fruits, about 7 ounces, give you a good daily dose. You can also simmer chopped loquats with lemon juice, a pinch of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of olive oil to make a light compote for yogurt or toast. Research from the American Heart Association has shown that older adults who added loquats to their routine saw improved muscle maintenance and up to a 30% lower risk of sarcopenia. For a fruit that costs only a few USD per pound in season, that is remarkable value. Add them to your plan when you can. And now let us turn to the final fruit on our list, the wild blackberry. Wild blackberries may look like just another summer treat, but for adults over 50 they carry powerful benefits for both body and mind. Many people notice stiffer joints in the morning, slower recovery after yard work, or a foggy memory that makes daily life harder than it used to be. The deep purple color of wild blackberries comes from anthocyanins, strong plant antioxidants that fight inflammation, one of the main drivers of muscle weakness and joint pain with age. Alongside anthocyanins, these berries provide vitamin C to repair tissues and build collagen, plus manganese to support bone health and energy metabolism. Together they create a natural formula that protects muscle fibers and keeps you moving with more ease. In practical terms, this means fewer painful cramps, better balance, and steadier energy throughout your day. Just 3.5 ounces, about 1 cup or 10 to 15 berries, is enough to make a difference. You can toss them into oatmeal, stir into yogurt, blend into a smoothie with a teaspoon of flaxseed oil, or even freeze them for a refreshing snack. Research shows that older adults who eat wild blackberries daily reduce muscle breakdown by up to 25%, which translates into fewer falls and more confidence in daily movement. For only a few USD per pack when frozen, they are an affordable powerhouse for your diet. Adding wild blackberries to your meals is a simple way to protect both your strength and your memory. And with that, our list of 7 fruits is complete, leading us into the final recap and encouragement to take action. You have just seen 7 simple fruits that can make a real difference for your muscles, your energy, and your independence. The message is clear. You are not powerless against muscle loss. You can fight back with natural foods that cost just a few dollars a week. Now here is the step you can take starting tomorrow morning. Add 3 to 4 prunes, about 3 ounces, to your breakfast, or enjoy a cup of red grapes as your midday snack. It takes less than 5 minutes, costs under $1 US dollar per serving, and when repeated daily, it builds strength over time. Small actions like this lead to steadier steps, better balance, and more energy for the things you love. Talk to your doctor if you have kidney issues or other conditions before increasing potassium-rich foods. But for most people, this is a safe and easy place to begin. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Which fruit will you try first? Comment the number below. 1 for prunes, 2 for grapes, 3 for kiwi, or 4 for blackberries. Your answer will help others see what works for people just like them. And if you know a friend or parent over 60 who could benefit, hit the share button and send this video their way. Make sure to like this video and subscribe right now, because in the next video I will reveal one everyday vegetable that fights muscle loss even better than some expensive protein powders. You do not want to miss it. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and remember, consistency beats perfection. I am glad to be on this journey with you, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.